everyone, Valerie here. Water is the blood of the earth. Under the surface of the planet, water flows through the veins, nourishing and sustaining the earth. The earth is alive. 70% of the oxygen from the oceans help supply the atmosphere and is produced by marine plants. 70% of the surface of the entire planet is water, 71%. 70% is ocean water. 70% of the human body is water. No coincidence. Water is living, and water has memory. A man by the name of Jacques Benveniste, who was born in 1935 and died in 2004, during his career became a physicist, and through much research, experimentation, and collecting data, he proved that water has memory. Later, that information was debunked and rejected by some other researchers and physicists. More recent times have proved otherwise again, and a man by the name of Dr. Moto proved that water has or senses emotions, and it responds to negative and positive emotions by forming patterns under a microscope that proved that theory. And then even very recent, 4 students in a university did an experiment where they each took water and put a flower in each container, and then took the flower out, put the droplet of water under a microscope, and each droplet of water formed a different image from the others. And the images seem to have reflected the flower that was in it, and who knows, maybe the energy or the aura from the student that was doing the experiment. Water is life. Water is living. There are those that say that the earth is losing water, that it's going to be gone. But that is not true, because water is a cycle. When you have water, a drop of water, or after a rain and the water sits on a surface and the sun comes out, it evaporates, but it doesn't go away. All it does is it's going up into the air particles, being lifted up, and that's what forms the clouds. And then it comes down in precipitation at the right time when the temperatures are a certain level, whether it's snow, rain, sleet, or hail. And therefore, it comes down to the ground again. It absorbs in, it comes down to nourish the plants and the flowers and the trees. And then it absorbs back into the earth, and the cycle just starts again. And there's some that say that the same water that we have here now is the same water that was here at the beginning of time. If you've ever meditated and used water to meditate in, or used to either, you can shower, or you can get in a tub, or you can go in the ocean, or you can go in a lake and meditate. It is a wonderful conductor to connect you to the higher dimensions. I've done it. Water is a miracle, really. So it would be a wonderful experiment for you, maybe the next time that you take a shower, that you immerse into a bathtub, or go in the ocean for a swim or a lake, and try to meditate. So water is very vast and very versatile. I mean, it comes in gas, liquid, solid, and when people dream, it's interesting how when people dream, they dream about, when they dream about water, it comes in various ways to them. For example, if they dream about clear, crystal clear water, that usually means they have recently been cleansed of something in their lives, in their day-to-day life, that was inhibiting their growth. And so they would dream about crystal clear water. And of course the opposite, if you dream about muddy water, murky water, whether you're immersed in it, whether you see it, whether you walk in it, all of those things have very definite interpretations when it comes to dreaming, the dream state. It's a wonderful element to have a dream about because it really tells you about yourself. So the next time that you turn the tap on and get yourself a drink of water, think about how wonderful, how awesome water is to us. Thank you for watching. Bye.